Short Me Tina here once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker NVCN. Right now what you're looking at is a daily chart. So let's just get this straight. I'm not in this stock. So whether or not the stock goes up, it doesn't benefit me or my members. If the stock declines, it does not benefit me or my members. So what I'm reporting here is just based on what I see on the chart, right? I did a video yesterday. I indicated that there was more downside to come today. I didn't know that they were going to release news after hours indicating that they were able to sell or raise about $7 million, right? Investors got happy. I think in after hours trading yesterday, we went as high as about 8 cents. So someone on YouTube said to me that I needed to adjust sort of my thoughts or my thesis on trading activity today based on the news that happened yesterday. And I was inclined initially to redo a video, and then I said to myself, well, actually, no. I'm still going to go on, despite the news that came out yesterday, I'm still going to go on what trading activity indicated to me. And so I left the video up, and more or less the video said, well, there was to be selling today. And granted, we had an after hours high yesterday of 8 cents, but we touched 5 cents today. So all that gain that the stock managed to achieve yesterday and after hours, we were not able to hold on to it today. So it is, in my opinion, once again, that whoever is propping or pumping this stock is using these little rallies to sell. They're selling into the rallies. So where's the silver lining? What's the good news? I indicated in my last video yesterday, the good news is that after this incredibly huge decline, the stock is in sort of like a sideways action or restricted range. Granted, it's only been doing this for the past, let's say, 6 or 7 days, a high of about 8 cents to a low of 3 cents. That's the range, but it's doing that. And for me, anytime a stock is in this consolidating sort of area or trading within a constricted range, it's a good sign. Why is it a good sign? It doesn't necessarily mean that the stock is going to now continue and go up. It just means that the selling, the huge selling that we saw here, is kind of like tapering off, and that's good. I still believe the best bet in regards to this stock is to get in at 3. I know a lot of folks said, or a lot of folks have said that, well, 3 is not going to come because the only reason that 3 cents was ever in the picture was because of the dilution. That's neither here nor there. In my opinion, 5 cents will break. Why? In my years of trading, and I've been in the market for a very long time, almost 2 decades, believe it or not. And in my experience, the more a level is tested, whether it be support or resistance, the likelihood that level will be broken. So we've tested 5 cents 3 times already, 3 days in a row. We tested 5 cents here on the 10th, the 11th, and more recently today. If it continues pressing on that area, chances are it will break. And when it breaks, the next stop would be around 3 cents. Hence why I said in my very first video, ideally, if you want to get into this stock, get into it at 3 cents. You're giving yourself the best, you're putting yourself in the best situation or setup to achieve that 100% gain, right? Because we know that the stock can get to 6 cents. We know that it can get to 7. We know that it can get to 8. If you buy in at 3, you actually are giving yourself a chance to get 100%, perhaps even 200%, because there's still this gap here around 10, 11 cents that needs to be filled. Take it or leave it. That's my thoughts. I wouldn't get in here. If I was trading this, 3 cents would be what I would await on. And trust and believe in the stock market, more or less, the people that don't win are the ones that are impatient. If you are patient, I guarantee you, hold on to this video, the stock will at some point touch 3 cents. And then you get in at that point because you're putting the risk reward in your favor. So that's it. Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. No real direction going forward. Again, I think what's going on with the stock right now is good. It bodes well for the bulls. It just means that selling has waned off for a bit. It's subsided. We're trading in a constricted range, a consolidated range. All you need to do is touch that 3 cents one more time, And then I think, you know, it'll be not clear skies, but I think you'll be on your trajectory upwards. So that's it. ShortMeTina, ShortMeTina.com. Head on over to ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, thank you for the support.